Okay, so this is problem 7.5.25, and they ask us to find an equation of the line containing the given pair of points. They give us negative 4, 0, and 0, 1. Okay, so this is a two-step problem. The first step is that you're going to need to find the slope, and given the points here, you can label these x1, y1, and x2, y2. And you can find, and I'm going to address this because it was asked by the person that asked the question, but you can find the slope in two different ways. You can either label these the ones and these the twos, or you can label these the twos and these the ones, and you'll get the same slope either way. So let's do it this way first. So the slope is y2, formula for slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so y2 we have labeled as a 1. Minus y1, which is 0, over our x's, so x2, which is 0, minus x1, which is negative 4. So what you have to be careful of here is the double negative. Okay, so in the top we get a 1, in the bottom we get a 4, positive 4. So the slope is 1/4. Okay. And then if we wanted to do it the other way around, then let's say that we labeled this x2, y2, and x1, y1, then you would find here that your slope is 0 minus 1, that's y2 minus y1, over x2, which is negative 4, minus x1, which is 0. So you get a negative 1 in the top and a negative 4 in the bottom, which will reduce to be a positive 1/4. Okay. So, you know, you only need to find the slope in one way. I was just showing this because this was the question that was asked. But then remember that this is a two-step problem. So the first step is to find your slope, which is 1/4, and then we're asked to find the equation of the line. So then we need to take that slope, and we can take either of the points there and plug them into the point slope equation to get the equation of the line. Okay, so what we're looking at is having a slope of 1/4, and I think I'll just go ahead and plug in 0, 1. 0, 1 is actually the y-intercept, but let's just go ahead and plug that in. So, oops, x1, y1. So we're going to have y minus y1 is 1, equaling our slope, which is 1/4, times x minus x1, which is 0. Okay. And if we just simplify here, x minus 0, that's just x. So we really have y minus 1 equals 1/4 x. Okay. And then last step would just be to add the 1 to both sides. So you would get y is equal to 1/4 x plus 1 here. Okay.